Barabara nene ya kuma Nairobi guthii Nakuru ikoretwo ikigwetwo ari imwe ya iria cikoretwo na mitino miingi guku bururi-ini, na ihinda-ini ria mweri umwe muthiru andu matanyihire 30 nimakuite kumana na mitino barabara-ini ino. Na riu uria barabara ino ikoragwo yakitwo hamwe na utwarithia wa ngari hatari na kihariro ni mamwe ma maundu maria marerikana ni maracungiriria mitino barabara-ini ino.
You know, our roads are still two-way traffic, and in case something happens we have a head-on collision, unlike a dual carriageway. So one is road design, and again where these vehicles, when they get out of the road, they are landing, we have no what you call the guardrails to help the vehicles from veering off into canyons.
Kiumia githiru andu 18 ni hamwe na arutwo a University ya Pwani ni makuire kurumirira mutino uria wakuruhanirie bathi iria makuite mwena wa Naivasha, na kuringana na kiama kia ahuthiri ya barabara, mitino ikoretwo ikiongerereka mwena uyu wa Naivasha.
Something has to be done urgently, because what we are having incidents of accidents reported at the Naivasha hospital at a rate of 10 casualties every day and 20 in a single day. So you can see how the accidents are happening. The frequency is so high.
The situation is very needy, because it's very, very traumatizing when a little child witnesses an accident and maybe he or she loses a friend or a relative.
Kuria kugwetetwo ari ugwati munene ni matura ma Karai, Kinungi, Kayole na Marura, na kiama giki ni kiambiriirie kambi-ini ya guthomithia ahuthiri a barabara wigie njira cia gwithema na mitino na magukorwo makirongoreria ona mathukuru.
We plead with them to do dual that section, so that we can have a service road to separate the highway from the highway, leave the highway for the express traffic, while we have a service lane for the local traffic. That will help remove the bumps, because you see the bumps are also causing accidents.
2 Sundays ago we were at PCA Naivasha town. We are doing it at RSS stations, that is Safari Center, or famous known as Naivas Kayole, at Deramea, at Buffalo Mall, and at any other area we can be able to get the message home.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.